Extending the life of streetlights. The role of light attenuation compensation in modern lighting systems. Street lighting is essential for road safety, visibility, and security in our cities. However, one challenge is light attenuation, the gradual fading of brightness over time, also known as lumen depreciation. Just as a smartphone screen loses its sharp brightness after years of use, streetlights also dim as they age. Factors like extreme heat, rain, snow, and wind accelerate this process, leading to uneven illumination, safety risks, and costly replacements. This is where light attenuation compensation (LAC) comes in. Unlike traditional systems, LAC constantly monitors a light's output and adjusts the power delivered to keep brightness consistent. It functions like a high-tech dimmer, giving LEDs a calibrated boost as they weaken with age. Some systems use intelligent built-in drivers, while others rely on external sensors connected to central controls. Both ensure uniform lighting and extend operational life. Benefits of LAC: consistent luminance. Without LAC, some areas of a street may appear dim, creating blind spots. LAC maintains even brightness across all lights, eliminating shadowy corners and ensuring safer conditions for drivers, cyclists, and pedestrians. Extended lifespan. Traditional lights require frequent replacement as brightness declines, draining municipal budgets. By optimizing power delivery, LAC keeps LEDs functional longer, significantly reducing maintenance and replacement costs. Optimized energy use. Instead of running at full power constantly, LAC provides only the necessary boost to maintain brightness. This precision leads to lower overall energy consumption, a win for both budgets and sustainability. LAC versus traditional lighting. Maintenance. Traditional systems demand frequent service, while LAC reduces disruptions by prolonging LED life. Energy consumption. Conventional lights often waste energy compensating for dimming, but LAC fine-tunes output for efficiency. Consistency. Traditional systems suffer from uneven dimming. LAC ensures uniform light levels citywide. Cost-effectiveness. While LAC has higher upfront costs, its long-term savings in energy and maintenance make it the more economical choice. Implementation considerations. Cities should assess compatibility with existing infrastructure before adopting LAC. Modular solutions are ideal for scalability, allowing systems to expand with urban growth. Integration with smart city management platforms can also enhance performance, enabling remote monitoring, adaptive dimming during low traffic hours, and coordination with traffic or environmental sensors. Tackling light attenuation is crucial for safe, efficient urban lighting. By investing in LAC-enabled systems from trusted providers like Chisware, cities can ensure brighter streets, longer-lasting infrastructure, and smarter energy use.